What's up guys, this is Hard Reset, and what if you're running into problems with Facebook? Like posts not loading, notifications not appearing, or the application is freezing? Here are some steps to help fix it. So the first step is close and reopen the app. Do this like this and swipe left or right by your choice. And if application still doesn't work, you need to go to the settings, find the apps, find the Facebook, and open the app permissions. And you can see there's no permissions allowed, so you need to allow some permissions to use some functions of the Facebook. So when you allowed all of permissions like this, allow only while using in the app. Of course, each other phone has the different design of the app permissions, but the algorithm is still same. So you click in this, allow, and you click in camera, allow, and just like this. And for example, you go to Facebook again, an application, it still doesn't work, you need to delete and reinstall it. So we will go to the Play Store, search for Facebook, open it and click on the button uninstall. Okay, it's uninstalled, so now we need to install it. Okay, we got this. Open. And for example, you already logged in, you try to use some functions and it still doesn't work. So what you can do? There is a internet page named Down Detector, and it detects which application in which time is downbreaked. So we will go to downdetector.com. Currently I have a Polish site because now I'm in Poland, so I need to go to another page named downdetector.pl and find the Facebook. Here it is. And there is a list of downbreaks for the last 24 hours, so you can see when the Facebook or another app is down. So, and if it still doesn't work, just check your internet connection or just restart your phone. This would be the best decision, because it can be the problem with the software of your phone. And that's all. Thank you so much guys. This was Hard Reset. Goodbye and see you in the next video.